So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl A.MaRee, and today, as you could tell in the title, we're doing a all Milani makeup tutorial. Affordable drugstore. Milani is in everybody's drugstore: Walmart, Ulta, Milani.com, CVS, Walgreens, everywhere. So I know that I really wanted to do a wear test type of video or a first impression on the new Milani Conceal and Perfect Long Wearing Concealer, and this one is in the shade 160 Warm Tan. I did want to do a video dedicated to that, so that was where the all drugstore brand, all one brand makeup tutorial came in at. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Anything that was not Milani, I did not show in this video. I know that you guys may or may not like to know that type of stuff, but let me know down below in the comments if you guys would prefer me to add in the products that are not a part of the drugstore, or if you guys would like for me to, you know, put it down below in the hot box, and I will do that for you guys. But other than that, everything I used was Milani. But I used Milani eyeshadows, the setting spray, the blushes. I used the eyeshadow for highlight as well. Lips, everything. The concealer, I could honestly say, is beautiful. I want to see how it wears throughout the day. I always catch creasing no matter what. I haven't found a concealer yet that keeps me from creasing. So I don't never look at creasing when it comes down to me wearing a concealer anymore, because no concealer that I've ran across keeps me creaseless. Like, there's none. So the concealer so far is beautiful. I do want to wear it all day and see what I'm looking like towards the end of the day. I do work a double today, so this is a good wear test for me. If I could remember, depending on how late I get off, I will check in with you guys. But I did want to let you guys know that this video will be a voiceover. I'm going to try to include the brushes and everything that I used in this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this all Milani makeup tutorial. And if you want to recreate the all Milani makeup tutorial, check down below. I have everything listed down below. Make sure you add me, hashtag me, DM me, follow me on all my social media so you know how to contact me when you recreate a look of mine. The hot box is very informational. I try to keep you guys with as much information as possible. So before this intro becomes way too long, I would like for you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Share with your friends if you care. And if you're new, welcome to the family, babe. Go ahead and become a part of the D4L gang. And I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Now let's go. Alright, you guys, let's go ahead and kick this tutorial off. We are using the Milani Conceal and Perfect Long Wearing Concealer just to give our eye a even base to start off with. You guys know I love to conceal my eyes when I'm doing shadows, so that's what we're doing. And I am using the original Beauty Blender, but just in the black one. So we're going to dip off into the Most Love Mattes eyeshadow palette, and the first color we're going to tap into is going to be My Daily Latte, and it's just a cream color to just put on the eyelid to give all the other shadows to connect with. And as you could tell, I'm just buffering this all over in my transition shade and close up to my brow bone. That's only just so the other colors could blend in well. So we're going to go into Bust a Mauve color, and we're going to kick that off into the transition 2 and give it like a transition shade. And this is really a mauve nude color, or should I say mauve taupe color. Doing windshield wiper motions and circles. You guys let me know how y'all been feeling about the one brand tutorials. Should I keep it up or should this be the last one? Comment down below. So that shade right there is No Plum Intended. And we're just blending that in on top of the transition shade just to deepen up the transition, but keeping it closer to the lid area. And as you could tell, we're doing windshield wiper motions as well as circles. And that's basically my blending technique, is just windshield wiper motions and circular motions. And that gives me the looks that I'm going for. And we are using the Wet n Wild blending brush just to apply those shades. We're going to go in with Don't Raising Your Voice next, and we're going to put that closer to the lid color too, where we can still see all three of the shades. And we're going to keep it basically on that outer V. You see me tapping it in, and I'm using the same Wet n Wild brush. We're going to keep that very low, but we're going to keep it more on the outer portion versus the inner portion. Now, we're not doing a cut crease or anything today. We're just doing a simple look. So I'm going to go in with Fancy Vanilla with my Beauty of Jewels flat brush. And we're just going to pack that shade on in the beginning of our eyelid and merge it into the Don't Raising Your Voice color. And we're just going to keep packing until we get the color that we desire. And as you see, I'm just patting it on, boo. Patting it on, boo. Now let me stop playing with y'all. So now we're gonna dip off into the earthy elements, and we're gonna go in with that first shadow, which is kind of a shimmery nude color, and we're using a finger just to place that on top of the Fancy Vanilla, just to give it a little bit more of a pop. And I know the eyeshadow is looking messy right now, but trust the process, is all going to come together at the end. And you see me here blending out the edges as well as dusting off those shadows, that little fallout. So we're going to go in with the Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in 13 Chestnut, and we're going to use our Sonia Kashuk beauty sponge to blend that all the way out. You guys, if y'all do not use the Sonia Kashuk beauty sponges, y'all need to get on it. Andrea Renee turned me onto this long time ago, and I had to go and pick it up because y'all know I swear about Andrea Renee here on YouTube. I had to go and pick it up, and like anything else that she loves, I love, because I wear this sponge out all the way. I wear it out. So we're just going to blend this all over our face, make it nice and seamless. And then we're going to go in with the concealer. And you guys, this concealer by Milani is really freaking good. And it is a dupe to me for the Tarte Shape Tape. And the color I'm using is 160 Tan. Warm Tan, I'm sorry. 160 Warm Tan. And that foundation, you guys, I know I wanted to use the Milani new foundation sticks, but I could not find it anywhere so that I could put it into this video. So I had to go back and use the Throwback Thursday foundation, which I love that foundation. It's oil free, it's a lightweight foundation, and it's full coverage. So I still like that foundation to this day, but I did want to test out the stick foundation, but I haven't found it, so I guess I'm gonna have to go on Milani.com and actually order it that way. So that translucent powder that I had showed you guys with the concealer, it is the 03 translucent banana powder, and that's what I'm using right now to set my face. And we're gonna use the Make It Last setting spray. No, I'm sorry, back that up. The powder is called Make It Last setting powder, and it is in 03 translucent. And of course, I'm using the original Beauty Blender just in the black shade to set all that. And I learned that if you put majority of the setting powder on your cheek area and then work your way up to the eye, you'll get less creasing. So I did go off camera and do my liner, my lashes, and coat the waterline and all because that wasn't Milani products. But I am, however, going in with the Color Harmony blush palette, and this one is in 02 Bronze Burst. You guys, I had this for a while now and I barely used it. So I was like, you know what, let me pull this out, let me try it since we're doing an all Milani drugstore tutorial. And you guys, that color is beautiful. So I dipped off into the Must Haves Naturals palette and I used that very first Champagne shimmer shade, and I'm gonna pop that in my tear duct and in my brow bone, just so that I can have that cute pop of glistening eyebrow on point sharpness. And I love it for an inner tear duct color because it makes your eyes pop even more. And if you guys don't use Milani products, you guys, they stuff is really creamy and very pigmented. I recommend anybody and everybody to at least try one of the Milani palettes, which Milani does have quite a few palettes that I really love. So now I am going in with that same first shadow out of the Must Have Naturals, and I'm using that same color that I did on my inner tear duct and my brow bone, and I made it a highlighter. And as you can tell, it's bomb as a highlighter all the way, all day. You will be beaming all day. And I can't say this makeup did hold up throughout the whole day. The highlight didn't move. The only thing that moved a bit was the lips, but of course, with eating, talking, smiling, and all that, it's bound to happen. But this highlighter, this eyeshadow that I'm using as a highlighter, y'all, it worked out really good. And you know, makeup is all your own preference. You do not have to use certain items for what they're actually calls for. Makeup could be mixed up however you like. So now I'm spraying my face with the Make It Last Dewy Setting Spray, which I like, but I like the matte one better than the dewy. But I ran out of the matte, so I had to use the dewy setting spray. But you guys, the matte is my favorite. Now here we are with the lips. The More Matte lip creams, I'm using that I'm using that purple one in 24 Fashionista, and I am gonna put number 11 Precious in the center to ombre it. I did line my lips off camera, but you guys, this is the completed look. I hope y'all enjoy it. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Let me know if you want me to keep doing these one brand tutorials. I love you all, and I'm about to catch y'all in the outro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey! So there you have the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. I will keep you updated down below in the comment section about how this concealer is wearing throughout the day. I hope you guys learned something from me today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts. Have you bought this concealer? Let me know your shades and your thoughts. And I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.